great news! I found a way that you can make over $1,000 in just one day. This is a really easy method to make money, and it's something that you can repeat over and over again. You don't need to have any technical skills to be able to do this, and even if you don't have any work experience, you can still score cash this way. All you need to get started is a mobile device or some sort of device that can connect to the internet, and you don't need to invest any of your own money to get started. So what are you waiting for? Stay with me to find out how this method works as I walk you through all of the ins and outs.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Are you guys ready to make some money? I know I am. So to get started on your money making journey, all you need to do is open up your browser and head over to upleap.com. This is a passive way to earn some cash, which means that you're gonna need to put in some work to get started. But once the ball is rolling, you can just sit back and watch the money roll in. Upleap is a website that helps people grow their Instagram following, but do not fret, you don't need to have an Instagram account with tons of followers to be able to earn money this way. I'm going to walk you through how this method works and even give you text that you can copy and paste to be able to make money faster. Anyways, as I mentioned earlier, Upleap is a platform that helps people gain Instagram followers. Do you know what Instagram is? Well, if you don't, let me explain. Instagram is a social media platform that people download to their phones and they upload photos and videos to share. Now, as I said, you don't need an Instagram account to be able to do this because what we're going to be doing to earn money is become an Upleap affiliate. Basically, you'll earn a commission when someone that you refer uses Upleap services. Are you ready to become an affiliate? Great. All you need to be able to do this is click right here and then this page should pop up. As you can see, when you join the affiliate program, you can earn commissions and get paid every single month for all of your referrals. So to be able to start earning though, you do need to register, but the account is 100% free. So don't worry because you won't be charged anything at all to sign up as an affiliate. I'm going to help guide you through each step so that you can start earning money now. So once you get over to the registration sheet that looks like this, you're going to go ahead and give them some of your personal information. Upleap needs your first name, last name, email address, and then password. Once you've given them all that information, then you need to prove to them that you are indeed human, agree to their terms and conditions, and now you just hit this button right here. Voila, you are done with the sign up process. Now you should be able to log into your account. Once you log into your account, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now you should be able to see your affiliate link, so all you need to do is copy and paste that. You're going to need this link so that you can share it and then earn a commission when someone signs up with Upleap using your link. So when that happens, you actually earn a 30% commission, which is a pretty good cut. A bad cut would be if you tripped and fell and got a cut. I cracked myself up. Anyways, it's a pretty good deal, right?
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Let's get back into earning some moolah. So I'm just gonna run some numbers by you and show you how much you could potentially earn with this method. Upleap has 3 different packages that it offers if you take a look at the site. Now you don't need to buy any of these packages to be able to earn money, so don't worry about that. And all you need to do to start earning is share your affiliate link and let people know about the different packages that Upleap offers. So you can talk about what Upleap does and all that good stuff, and the most popular package on Upleap is their monthly one. You can mention that to whoever you're referring to use Upleap, and one of the great things about when someone signs up for this plan is that you get paid every single month. If you get a lot of people to sign up for a monthly plan, then you can be earning a lot of passive income on a monthly basis. This is a really easy way to make money, so if you're new to this whole working online thing, you can still use this method. Just imagine if you're able to make 30% of this every single month per person that signs up using your link. What if you can get like 30, 40, or even 50 people to sign up for the monthly package? That would be a really huge amount of money. I don't know if you remember, but earlier I said something about giving you text to copy and paste to make the job easier. Now, this is a script that you can use to try to get people to sign up with Upleap. You can use this script every time that you share your link, and it's bound to attract people to sign up. This is a really good script to use since it's been tried and tested, and it makes the job way easier for you because you don't need to formulate a message every time that you want to share your link. So the messaging in the script is good because it helps people build trust in you, and they'll want to know what platforms you would recommend they use to help grow their Instagram following. That's when you can share your link and let them know that Upleap is a really effective tool. People are more likely to purchase Upleap when they trust you as a mentor, so this is a really good way to find potential clients. Now you may be wondering, where can I find people that are going to be interested in Upleap? One platform that I would recommend you try using is Quora.com. This is a really good place to find people that are new to social media looking to increase their following. If you don't really know what Quora is, it's a free public forum where people ask questions and look for answers. So on Quora, you can just copy and paste the script that I'm giving you, and there are bound to be people that are interested. Millions of people visit Quora every single day, so the chances of you finding people to sign up for Upleap is higher. Once people purchase a package with your affiliate link, you get 30% of whatever they paid for their package. It's as simple as that. So to be able to post on Quora, you're gonna need to create a free account. To get started, you need to go to Quora.com. To sign up for an account, just click right here, and then a page like this should pop up. Now you just follow the instructions to be able to sign up with your email address. Just fill in the page with all of your personal information and then hit the sign up button. Wasn't that easy peasy lemon squeezy? Now you have an account. So this is what the form looks like, and you can just type something in right here if you want to conduct a search. So obviously if you hit search, then you'll find a lot of people looking for answers to certain questions. You're going to want to search for something along the lines of learn how to get more Instagram followers or something like that. Once you type that in, you'll find a ton of people that are looking into how they can increase their Instagram following. All you need to do is open up queries, drop your script, and then share your link with them and make money when they purchase a package. So if you want to see what it looks like to use your script and stuff, I will show you. So the first thing that you're gonna do is select one of these links in the search results. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one right here. As you can see, there are a few people that have submitted answers to this person's query. Some people have left links, and that is exactly what you're gonna be doing today. So you're just gonna look for this box right here and then copy and paste your script into that box. Now for the most important part, laugh at your screen. Just messing with you. Paste your affiliate link into the box as well so that people can click on it and you can make some money. So basically all you need to do is keep copying and pasting, and then in no time you're bound to find someone that's interested in Upleap and they'll sign up for their services. Just keep repeating the process over and over and over again. The more that you do this, the higher your chances are at finding people who want to use Upleap. Anyways, that's all I've got for you guys today. Sign up for Upleap and Quora and you could be making some really good money in no time.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.